Okay, YouTube, after a quick trip to the lumber yard, we're back. We've framed up all of our concrete forms with 2x4 lumber, and we're ready to install concrete. As you can see, we're straight as a board. Everything's on point, and soon we'll be filling this with concrete and getting it ready.
Ready to get it done, YouTube. This part of the finish issue. Look at those. I'm ready for them. Oh, again. Stay tuned, YouTube. Should be all right.
As you can see, the concrete has arrived. There's a bit of a conversation and a frenzy, and we're about to get the concrete pumping. Stick around, YouTube. You'll see the concrete coming out the hose, 3,000 PSI concrete, and it'll probably take about maybe an hour, probably, or something like that, to lay out the concrete, and then the finisher's gonna take his time and go ahead and finish it right, put a broom finish on it. Stick around, you'll see a lot of it.
What do you think about it?
I want to see if I can see the primer. Now that's that primer, right? Looks like it.
As you can see, the concrete has arrived. We're pumping 3,000 PSI concrete into the forms, ready to make that driveway as smooth as possible. Stick around, you'll see what's going on. Crew is making quick work of this concrete. As it comes out the pump, we're putting it in place, getting it level so that we can screed it. Stick around, you'll see what's going on. I believe this is the part where I'm supposed to say like, share, and subscribe. You're looking at a bit of concrete movie magic, and we're just getting it ready for the broom finish. And I don't want to go too far in this video without sending a shout out to my team. As you can see, some of the best concrete finishers in the world. They take their time, very professional, and he's in a lot of my videos. As you go back and check out one from when we're doing a septic tank, He's one of my guys, and he gets the concrete work done. Most guys that pump concrete know that when you get to this part of your job, you're always wondering and thinking, do you have enough concrete left in that truck to finish? But yep, we ordered just enough and everything was perfect. All right, YouTube family. As you can see, after all the trucks are gone, after the pump is gone, it still takes a bit of finish to get it right. And so we're here finishing it up. Just giving you a preview of what's going on. Letting you see that it's flat, nice, ready. So give us a thumbs up, share it. Share it to your friend, your family. Show them that concrete is still being poured in the right way. And should, in case you need a concrete project, call us. We're here ready for you. We'll show you a few more of the footage and let you see what's going on. All right. Check out the description in the video. There's a video where we also went live on this project, thanking our subscribers, and I'm just showing in real live what we are doing in the field. This is not a joke, it's not a prank, this is real work. Okay, YouTube, after looking at this concrete, I want to ask all my subscribers to put it in the comment box. Tell me if you know what fresh concrete smells like, and what's your opinion of fresh concrete. Okay, YouTube, let's take this as a teachable moment. So once the concrete has set up for a bit, this is what you call a broom finish. So he's using the broom just to get the surface a bit traction, to give it a finish on top, take out any little imperfections that you may see in it. And it's a pretty good technique, especially when you're just leaving a natural finish like that. As you can see, we've started removing the forms. Concrete is ready. And go ahead, see if you can, and give us a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. Thanks.